So in the last class, we were doing the exercise on the page number 36. That exercise or that question is on the page number 36. Everybody open the page number 36 in their computer book. In that computer book, we were doing a question. The question is saying that fill in the blanks by selecting the correct words from the list. We done some of the words. Now we are completing the process. Okay. So let me write the starting ones. The operating system helps in the dash process. The answer we already done it in the last class. It's a booting up. Booting up is basically a process. Booting up means starting up a computer. It controls the dash and output. So the reverse of output is the input. Okay. Now in the second blank we have input. Okay, so we cancels two word. We cancel two words like this. Input is done and booting up is done. Okay. Now the third one. It controls the input and output operations and the flow of what? And the flow of what from one part of the computer to the other. So what do you think? What is the word will come from these options? What would be the word come from these options? Let me draw the box around the word so that they would be look different from the overall stuff. Okay. So these are the words. Along in these words, we are took two words already. Now we have to use the remaining words. Flow of, okay. So there are two options. Flow of data or flow of instruction. What do you think? Flow of data or flow of instruction from one part of the computer to the other. What do you think? Instruction would come or data would come? Okay, so some students are sending the right answer. Very good. That's great. So send me your answer so that we will discuss then. Okay, till now, so many students sent the answer. That's great. So data will come or instruction will come. Okay, that's great. That's nice. Okay, so let's see. So who sent the correct answers? Let me take their name. Oh, wow, that's great. So many students give the answer. Very well done. So it's the Zayad Salim, Ayad Hamad, Umar Muhammad, Kusai Hamad, Mazin Muhammad, Fadi Halwani, Muhammad Ahmad, Ayan, Ryan Abdul Salam, Umar Muhammad, Abdul Rahman, let me take a name, Abdul Rahman Hussain, Adam, Ayad Ahmad, Jibrail, and Adam. All these students sent the correct answer in the chat. The correct answer is data. The correct answer is data. Data is the correct answer for the third blank because data flow from one part of the computer to the other. Data is the right answer. All the name which I took give the right answer. If you send the answer and I didn't take your name, it means you didn't send the correct answer or check your answer please. So who Adam? Okay, Mohammed Hussain and Arhan also sent the correct answer. Okay, that's great. So the data is done. Now if you see in this, so there are one, two, three, and four words are left, and we are left with the four blanks. Now we are moving towards the next one. Okay, so it controls the input and output operations and the flow of data from one part of the computer to the other. It loads the software dash, it loads the software delete, it loads the software instruction, it loads the software save, it loads the software process and helps. So what do you think? Which word suitings the best? It loads the software delete, it loads the software instruction, it loads the software save, it loads the software process. What do you think? Which word is making a sense by adding in the blank? Which word is making a sense or a Answer by adding it. Oh, that's great. Abdul Rahman Hussain, Ayad Hamad, Mazin Muhammad, Ahmad Hussain, Fadi Muhammad, Amr Ayman, Ziad Salim, Ayan, Al Baradori, Fahad Dani. All these students sent the correct answer. Tafim Zaman. All these students sent the correct answer in the chat. Nobody give the wrong answer for this one. Okay, Fadi, check your answer, please. So, it loads the software process or it loads the software instruction. What do you think? Okay. So, Umar, you can send your answer here. Okay. There is a student. The name of the student is iPhone 2. I don't know who that person is. Kindly change your name to the original name so that I can take your name. Okay. So, Arhan and Muhammad Ahmad Siddiq. Muhammad, kindly check your answer. Kusai Ahmad. Okay. So the answer, it loads the software dash. It loads the software dash. The right answer is it loads the software instruction. There is no process for software. So it loads the software process. What does that mean? It loads the software process. It's not making the sequence. The word instruction is making the sequence or the sense. It loads the software instruction. Instruction are just the commands and the order. So it loads. Who loads? Operating system loads the software instructions. All the instructions of the software are loaded by the operating system. Okay. Now it loads. Who loads? Operating system loads the software instruction and helps to dash data. Helps to dash data. Let me cancel the word at the top so that we will find out that how many words are left. Now, now if you see, it helps to delete data, it helps to save data, it helps to process data. So, normally, why we use the software? Which one is the basic? All these three answers can be possible. Delete, save, and process all are making a sequence. But normally, why we use the software? To delete data, to save data, or to process data. Why we use? If all three options are correct, then which one would be the right answer? All the 3 points are making sequence or the sense. But basically, we are using the software. Okay, let's see. Oh, wow, that's great. So many students give the right answer. We are using the software for one of the purpose. Basic purpose is this. Okay, now just send your answer only once. Okay? Don't send it so many times. Okay, that's Ryan Abdul Salam, Muhannad, Abdul Rahman, Mohammad Fadi. Mohammad Fadi, check your answer, please. Ayan, Ziad Salim, Tafim Zaman, Fahadani, Mazen Muhammad. Okay, Mohammad Fadi, and Umar Muhammad. All these students give the correct answer. Basically, software can do all the things. Software can you delete data, software can save data, software can process data. But among these three, save, delete, and process, the basic thing which is for which the software is used is to process data. Is to process data. Is to process data. It is used to process data. Computer or software can do all the things, but basically it is used to process the data. These are the other features. To save the data, delete the data is a feature, but the basic purpose of a software is to process. Okay, so process is the right answer for this blank. Now let me answer. So we are coming at the second last blank. The second last blank is saying that it operating system enables make it possible for us to dash retrieve and dash files. It enables us to do what? It enables us to do what? To do what? Save or delete. Both the words are making the sequence. Both the words are making the sequence. Operating system can enable us, make it possible for us to delete or take out information or save files. So all the three operations are there. Okay, so we are going to make a sequence. First, what we do? Okay, process is already done. Process is done already. So what we do? We do the process first. Then what we do? We save the data or we delete the data first. So when we done with the process, we save the data. We save the data and then we use it. Okay, let's see who gave the right answer. Oh, very good. So it's Ryan Abdul Salam, Mazir Muhammad, Tafim Zaman, Adam, Al-Baradori, Hatim, Fadi Muhammad. All these students give the right answer. Kusai Hamad, you are also right. First, we process the data, then we save the data, and we take it out, retrieve it, and then we can delete it. We can write delete here, but save is the most appropriate occurrence here. So, here is the save. Here is the save. It enables us to save, retrieve, and dash files. Yes, Rajatava, you are right. Ryan Abdul Salam. Oh, okay. See the answer. Ryan give the right answer. Okay. So it enables us to save, retrieve, and the last one is delete. Only one word and the one blank is left. So it's a delete. It's a delete. The last one is the delete. Where would delete come? Delete would come at the last blank. Operating system make it possible for us or enable us to save, retrieve, and delete files. To delete files. So the delete would become at the end. Okay, that's good. Delete is there. So everybody should write these answers in their book on the page number 36. Everybody write these answers in their book. Okay, so we are done with the, let me cancel the option. We are done with all the options and the blanks are completed right now. So let me take a picture so that I will upload it in the class material. And if you done writing it, then that would be great. Okay. So everybody of you are finished by writing all these words in the blanks. Say yes or no.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
that's great.
Yes,
If you
sir.
Yes, sir. I
Yes.
finished.
okay, that's good. That's good. If you finished it, then that would be great. Okay. So now what you have to do after the class, you just have to take a picture of this page which you finished. Take a picture, not right now, after the period you can take a picture and send that picture to me in mail in class light. In class light you have to send me the mail and you just have to take a picture. Just take a picture of this page when you are done. If you are done, then after the period you can take it and send it through the mail. Everybody understand this thing? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Now, okay. Now, now we are moving to the next page. Let me clear the page so that we will move to the next one. We done the page number 37. We also done the page number 36. But we will 38, sorry. So we will see one thing more. If you see on the page number 38, we discussed about the spreadsheets. Spreadsheets. What are spreadsheets?
A spreadsheet is a grid of rows and columns in which we organize numbers and text.
Oh, that's good. In which we organize numbers and text. That's great. In the last class, we were discussed worksheet. We discussed spreadsheet. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So very good. You
Yes,
explained it
sir.
very well. That's great. You explained it very well. Okay. So now spreadsheet is a combination of rows and columns. So it is a grid of rows and columns. If you see, there are some columns one, two, three, four, and there are so many E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, and so many columns are there. And there are so many rows like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 13. Up to 13. So many rows are there. So spreadsheet is a combination of the rows and columns. It's a combination of rows and column. Why we use it? Spreadsheet are used to calculate, used to make budget and organizing data in the form of number. Organizing data in the form of numbers, charts and tables. Why we organize things? Everybody kindly close their videos, please. Why we make or organize data? To save, to store the data. Why we organize the data in the file? To save it, to use it later for different purposes. Okay, now a spreadsheet is a grid of rows and columns in which we organize numbers and text. We can put the numbers and text. Your result card is made in this. Your result card, your exam result card can be made in this. Okay, so what it can do, from with the help of this we can calculate the things very easily. It's very easy to use. It's very easy to use. Okay, if you see, the picture is given. In that picture, in that page number 38, there is a picture. In that picture they are asking, in which month did the school spend the most on stationery? In which month did the school spend on the most on stationery? Okay, they are asking that which month school did so much expenses on the stationery. So if we see, we have to add three numbers for January. For example, we have to add 550, we have to add 300, we have to add 150, and then we have to write here the total. So the total would be like 1000. Okay. So then we have to add February 500 plus 200, 700, then 1050. In this way, it's taking time. For the whole year, it would take time. So now let's take a tour of a MS Excel. Let's take a tour for a MS Excel. I will stop my screen sharing from this book and I will switch it to the Excel. Wait for a second so that it would be switched. Yes, this is Microsoft Word. In this Microsoft Word, this table is given. This table is given. This is a Microsoft Word. The table is given in the book. The which table? This table is given in your book. And the values can be written from here. I write is equals to, then I click on this one, 550, then I click press plus sign. I write is equals to, then I click on 550. Now I am adding it with this 300. Now I am adding it the 550 150. What is B2, C2 and D2? B2, C2, and D2 are the address of the cells. As I tell you this thing right now, that the address of this B2 is a column, B is a column, C is a column, D is a column. The address of this 350 is C12 because the column name and the row number make a address. So add B2 value. B2 is 550, C2 is 300, D2 is 150. In this way, they are adding the number. They are adding the number. Then I just press the enter. Now the 1000 is there. If we are going to calculate the numbers one by one, it will take time. For Fab, we are totaling it 700 and then 1050. Then we add March 600, 400, 1000, 1000 plus 250, it take 1250. But see, I move my mouse at the corner and I just double click and I got the total for each month. And we can easily see which number is the greatest. 900, no. 850, no. 1200, 1200, okay, 3, great number. 900, 850, 720 is smaller. So we have 1200. Oh, we got 1400. So leave the 1200, only focus on 14. So 14 is the biggest number and we can check this out. It's April. So April is the month in which the school do the so much expenses. According to the book, the answer for this question is April. So everybody understand this thing. I explained it twice for you so that if someone miss any part, so then they can get it. Everybody understand this thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now the
sir.
assignment is
Yes,
waiting.
sir.
Yes.
Assignment is waiting for you in the class light. We will meet in the next class, inshallah. The time of the period is finished. We'll meet in the next class. Bye, everyone.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye.
sir. Have a nice
Sir, I
day.
have a question.
Okay.